Four Rafale fighter jets of the Indian Air Force were conducting overnight patrolling last night without crossing the line of control, and they got radar locks on Pakistani J-10C fighter jets approaching in aggressive maneuvers, after which Pakistani jets were forced to go back. Several pro-Pakistan social media accounts are falsely claiming that Pakistan has shot down an Indian Rafale fighter jet along the line of control in the Poonch sector, and the video shared is actually of a Su-30 fighter jet that crashed in Maharashtra in June 2024. Turkish military intelligence chief has offered satellite imagery aid to Pakistan. During a high-level meeting with Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and G-20 CDS and Tri-Services chiefs, Prime Minister Modi has given complete operational freedom to the Indian Armed Forces to decide on the strike mode, targets and timing of India's response. The Israeli ambassador has said that Israel fully supports India's right of self-defense in the aftermath of the Pahalgam terror attack. Russian Deputy Foreign Minister has said that Russia is committed to work jointly with India in countering the global terrorist threat. US Secretary of State Marco Rubio has called on both India and Pakistan not to escalate the conflict, and that he will speak to the foreign ministers of both the countries. When asked about the status of negotiations between Hindustan Aeronautics and General Electric on the F-414 deal, the Defence Secretary has said that he is hopeful that the domestic manufacturing line for General Electric's F-414 jet engines will be launched by the end of this year. He also added that the negotiations is being led by Hindustan Aeronautics, and the ministry has been encouraging both sides to try and expedite the deal, so that production schedule for the Tejas MK2 doesn't get affected. As part of the 26 Rafale Marine deal, Azar Aviation will establish a production facility for Rafale fighter jet fuselages near Noida, alongside MRO facilities for engines, sensors and weapons within 6 months. That aligns with Azar's vision of localizing production to meet India's long-term demand for 114 MRFA fighters, making India one of the largest Rafale operators globally with 176 units. The Aeronautical Development Agency has started upgrading the cockpit of the Tejas Mk1 to accommodate the advanced right-hand console designed for the Tejas Mk2. The right-hand console is designed to integrate the side stick controller and various switches and panels, and to evaluate this console's performance for the Tejas Mk2, Aeronautical Development Agency will fabricate and install it in the existing Tejas Mk1 cockpit at the real-time simulator facility. The Aeronautical Development Agency is developing an advanced sense and avoid system for its Tapis and Archer NG male UAVs that will enable these UAVs to navigate safely in complex airspace, autonomously avoiding collisions with other aerial vehicles, birds, buildings and other obstacles. Today's top 3 comments.